Welcome back. Candy Empress and Pinky in the place. Long time. One
Pinky and never two.
Alright, big up on yourself. Hear me now. One love everybody. Everyone who is watching Jammiwood, welcome again. I hope you all watch the movie and love it. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share. No disrespectful word. Please and thank you. And please remember to sit down with your popcorn and your nice cup of juice, real natural juice, and enjoy the movie. And guess what? Me know you have one nice people they wanna love, and we are all here for you. So please remember to leave a good decent comment for the person who you love and how they act in the movie. Bless upon yourself. I love you all and thank you guys for continuing to watching the channel.
Bless upon yourself again, guys. Remember, you know, wanna like, share, leave a comment, and always subscribe to your thing. Bye, guys.
One love. I'm out.
Where money there we work yesterday?
What is that?
Where money there?
What is that?
You got work and come in yesterday and not give me no money. Where money we go work there?
The money, you say want no money?
Where me make more no money? You know, say me I build me house a country, me go want the money. And you come in last night and I sell out to born no money and you give. Where money there?
Asking me.
Where money there?
Alright, if the road doesn't have shoes, no shoes. But I put it in the like bank, no shoes.
Your shoes on my bed?
Yeah, so.
Make your money now at the end of the day and see how me slap you up. Oh, you're lucky.
How where you go?
Me I got punch you.
So, you left my money
For what? You're not going to work today. Listen to me, I got country and come back. And I don't want to hear so no girl did come here. And I don't want to hear so when you left work, you're there on the road at night time. You hear me say? No, myself, me I talk to. And myself, me I talk to. You hear me say?
Me what you say. Alright.
And make sure you're not out there chat to no girl on no road.
Alright.
So come back.
Alright.
Me I go buy one juice. When pack up my clothes, then buy me come back, me get them to go about my business.
Yes, sure. Yeah, what one? I'll lie, tell you. Which yard? No, man, I can't you gone, man. No, yo, man, waste time growing on a CR, you know. Because someone have in farming work and not do good. Yeah. So you tell me say that country. Somebody tell me say I don't say that man yard, you know.
Where you watch me for?
Me and you there.
So
You supposed to watch you.
No, you're not supposed to watch me. I'm supposed to tell you say me gone somewhere and me gone
But
somewhere.
me tell you already say if you give me
No
but
point up no finger and look how good in the yard. Where come up as a
no.
Go on down. Come out as come funny. Come out as
Yo, you say you love me, you know.
Where you come as a
You say you love me, so oh yeah, over man yard.
Me not over no man yard. You don't even know where me there. Come on, come good on. Good on now, yeah. What ya? I turn up, What me say if you come do?
Me a come good.
Good on now. Good on now, yard. You know what? Go on now, yard. Me I go back over so me not come right now. Listen to me, watch ya. I will take his to now. Good on now, yard. Go fix up the things and make sure everything ready by me for reach home. Me hear? Me I go back over here so go chill, cause me don't know you come and come piss me off.
Alright.
How they going to start?
No, you know, see how I go on. A relationship I go on. You see, she big go, I'm go do to her.
Go closer to them.
Yeah, pick up them big man never rasta, man.
I saw you go.
Alright. I must shoot this. Short, yeah. Just guys. Yo, Poppy. I bet you not tell me what I go on, dog. I go me walk down on the road and I see a Rasta get beaten from the human. I can't believe. Fire, that's a fire. Yeah. Then that could happen to me, brother. This woman took up big stone and for him. And I ask him what I go on and I say, yeah, you see a relationship I go on. I say, them not a relationship because you man a beat you. Now that me I tell you, big Rasta man, I make that the woman there strangle him, angle him so. Boy, you don't know, you man drip one thing for go down the yard. Like you not every day want him to go on, but in good still, I feel problem you want and then turn beating stick, you turn beating stick. But them they can't do, no man can beat like that. Alright. You good though? Well, I'm not food in my yard, I don't come on my yard, I'm not food in my yard. Yeah, we link. When I see him, we give one two business. Yeah. Big up yourself. I tell people business, I tell them about money.
Where did I plan to look about later for dinner?
Not really there, no. I think give me a money, make me go get some things. No food stuff not there.
Hold on, that's something I check. Because one nigga fi send more money, so. I check if it reach. So if it reach, we can make you go deal with it.
Well, look, boss, some curry chicken, no rice and
But
peas.
we eat rice, nothing, so we have to go do.
Want some food?
Yeah, get one big bag of rice. And you can get maybe around 6 pounds of flour. Because we don't really eat flour like that.
For sure.
You
I can get a piece of yam for you, because I know you like yam, you know.
Yeah. And get one case of pack soap. And you can get some little things you need and get something for your bathroom also.
You know that.
Alright, so I see your money reach. See your money reach, so I make you go to myself, go deal with it.
Some you go now?
Yeah, I can go now and deal. I'll get a card and make you deal with it.
Alright, let me get my red purse.
Yeah, you have fear already coming out. I don't know change it. All that money left on the card.
You have fear number?
I just lie down and I would sleep till I come back. You want me to come with you?
No man, that good.
You sure?
That good, you know, come look how you look tired.
Alright.
Alright, me so come here.
Alright. Yo, Jack. Yeah, you know, so I see 100,000 come in though, father, but what you know? Remember say I did 200 me did forget, you know. You see me? No man, remember say, you know, the first time when you link me, you know, and you borrow the 50,000, and then after you can link more other time and then you borrow 150 from me. Yeah man. Yeah, man, me wait till I have, man. But I just remind you, I make you know, say, at 200, me forget, you see me? Yeah, man, because I really need the money out to come like it does. No, say the right time, to the right time if you send it, because I just all send for my woman gone and stuff, go and get some grocery. Now, when I just call it, say, I'll call around 50,000, I'll get back out of the 100, because right now, you know, say, when you go to supermarket, things raise, so you know, say, all 148,000, mama go spend up around 50, because you know, supermarket there now. And when you buy, we just buy for the whole month and something, you know, because you know, most of the time we not have money doing it then time. Yeah, man. Alright, my general. Yeah, man, big up. I don't know how you hold me, I don't remember say you hold me to bomb, but... Why pray?
What go on, man?
Can't see you, what are you dealing?
What there, man?
Yo, you know, say the other day, I say I can link you know youth car. Woman buy the shoes, but she tell me say it can't fit her and something.
The big though, man, Jesus.
So me I wonder say if you don't want to buy if you feel catty.
Why, no matter, man.
Cause that day I take out the lace and take a beat off it, you know.
But boy, between me and you know. Between me and you know. I don't matter how man myself, you know. Cause from me I feel no man left, you know. Nothing else, I can't get no man, nothing more.
All I tell, say to me saying that the girl left run,
Yeah,
wow,
man.
what 3 months and now you know another woman?
No, I can't get no woman like some saw like she curse me.
I joke here, me. You not talk to no other woman.
No other girl. If me go to them and say, oh, baby, you know something like you. Getting no man thing. You know I go further than that. If me take him and say, if me take him and say, hi, who this? I tell him who. Oh, I pray.
Yeah, me say bad then, cause you know me always a motivate. Sit down right there. Yeah, me say, you know, you say, woman, you can't focus on woman at this time. You have to just try to focus on yourself and try to achieve a lot more things. You understand? Cause as what they say, girls are jobs. So take your money and build house. Rent out to live in it.
Yeah.
Take your money and start build house, youth.
But I know say between me and the last girl and me, with that chat, you see me? It's like, girl, if you do one little thing, but you need no cash right there. You have in car and you left in car for film place and the girl tell me say, oh, you might send money for my car and to take off here and give me. I know the truth just because he like, I tell somebody I working on the internet that they wish for me there, you know. And so I'm open the message but I don't answer. He girl block me. I charge you, I even text you up on the birthday and he see me. You see me? And just because man I say me see her but me not see message but me not focus, you understand? You girl block me.
That me I try to tell her now, you can't focus on woman. If you find one still or you rate, you just 1 foot in, 1 foot out. You can't have your 2 foot tonight in the case.
The girl I know say I go mad. My way for me to respond to she. But anyway, that's what I say, brother. Girls
right,
are
yes.
drugs.
Right. Send some woman gone on the road can get some.
But I'm glad that she teach me as you make her go block you just because you're seeing them. Imagine what kind of woman she be.
A foolishness that.
Aye, that fool woman that man.
That's why I tell you stop pre woman youth.
You know,
stop try pre woman because you're mad.
Yeah man. I understand. And I want to give me a thing one time, you know. It's like me still think about it, but
you so find somebody real like I think me I get alone. You can't really focus. Let's baby, what?
What? You know, say, me don't know what I'm taking it a decline.
So you don't get nothing at all?
No.
I don't understand. Why can't I decline?
I don't know, you have to go look about it, I don't know.
yeah, it's like what?
But you don't know about them I think. Because I don't understand. Because I'm on the panic card, so why did they decline?
Well,
So you do go in a supermarket baby and you try run the car and in a road?
No, work none at all.
So you know a pin so I can go down NCB or something
It's
like that.
so hot, look why it's so hot be. So hot though.
But we're not in a grocery in our house.
Well, you have to go do that later. You know, go back on the road right now, it's very hot.
I have to go down NCB for deal. Where they pan bad that? Where are
But they come, put on the road as well.
I go down NCB. all that fresh and good on NCB. So yo, just call me here.
Alright, we link.
Alright.
Yeah.
So where's all going on?
You go and go see what happened to your car.
So you're coming with?
Yeah, we can walk.
You look like you're not like go with me.
Yeah, me go out with them. I know.
Because this morning I go and serve and you tell me say you want we go.
Yeah, because you look tired, so I say me alone we go.
Yeah, but you know, I still have to come out with the same way.
Alright then, go and go fresh and we go back my dog, go night time.
I do that then. But I still not understand because you would send 100,000 on the card and me looking at my account and I see it, so I don't understand now why it a decline.
I don't know, maybe people the machine, it's not what good.
NCB have one whole heap of long line business and now, you know, I can't buy them the line business there, you know. You feel left back on what we can pay?
Yeah, me have about $300 in my bag.
So
So 150 feet, 150 for me, 150
suppose to go up and in a work.
I don't know.
I want to go then, because I not going to take a chance on you with
Alright,
8, 12
then,
feet and
you
then.
we are the.
No, I'm going to be.
Alright.
Hello. You can sell me 3 fruit bag juice, please. I want Pepsi. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, sir. Soon come back now. Soon come back now. Wait, give me a minute. Can I get a minute of your time, please? Look nice, too. Why are you coming like that? Then I smell it, you know?
Alright, what you say?
You come around here. Nah, like, I look thick and look nice and thing. Everybody look up there. No? Like you look up at the building here, look on your face. So, how are you doing?
What you want no meaning for? What your problem?
I like your mother, you know, mother jumping in my life. I'm going to look at the phone and see my ass.
You're the one me chopping in your life. Let me tell you this. You look for me, I look for you. You can't manage me. Not even for one day.
I don't know look like this evening. I understand. I'm all like cut down big trees. You mean I can hang you. I can triangle you. Everything.
You can hang on me.
Everything that there is. So, you know, let's start talking about it.
Are you sure you can? You're sure?
100%. You don't know me?
You're sure you can manage me?
You don't hear about me? You don't tell about me?
Anyways,
You don't mind that.
me always say in our area about the place, and you seem like one humble person.
I'm humble.
Very humble. Me like that. Me and we work. To your time.
Touch your finger and touch it. Alright. So, where's your name?
Tia.
Good body, Chang body Tia. Chang body Tia.
Alright.
Alright.
Where are they bad damn? I think you say you're gone.
Well, go on.
There you go, on the road, more go get something to consume for me and moms. You see me?
Yeah, you know,
Jars
say.
and money, but see me that set them at something over here so better, you see me?
Oh. You know, say a while ago when we left here.
Yeah.
I go down the road there, so and guess what, boy? Find one nice stickers.
I like you tell.
Meet one nice stickers. I think, yo, we think we'd have started something big with that, you see me?
So yo, when I just stay a reason about it too long, I say you want to find somebody.
I go down the road and I some nice stickers. I come from a shop and I say, girl, nice
So you
stickers.
feel like you can't start life with it?
Yeah, I feel like, you know, second down with them arms, you know?
Well,
Too bad.
you have to just remember G code. Nothing wrong with that.
All thing wrong with him.
Because you know, all when women deal with the bad still, we have to still love them. So
Whole thing wrong with her head big. I'm gonna watch a big head. She good.
Well, Franny have a big head and her something and her good. There's no problem and her personality good.
You know, she look like a cool girl, you know?
Yeah, man, as me say, Fran, her personality cool with her and she deal with her good like our relationship for go on and everything good. You just do it right, but just remember, look, don't have it two of them in a relationship, so one foot in and one out. You understand?
No, man.
Just that more I remember. But
yo, I tell her, say, when me and the girl don't talk, I'm give me number. I'm not to go home, alright? I come to me, I tell her, I tell her good news for me, go home.
yeah, man, a good thing as me say, bro. Talk to her, man. So what's your name?
She name Tia.
Oh, Tia. I don't know her. Maybe if you carry her when I did them pass through with her or introduce her. I don't know her still. Right? First, I hear them.
Oh, cool girl, but that's that boy I tell her still, you see me?
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. I hear.
Yeah, man.
I'm hope I right one this, sir.
No, hope I...
Because I tell her, say, the last one the way they did have in deal with the wicked youth.
Why, actually...
That I see man where you say, take away money from you.
Yeah.
Boy.
What
Say, did you buy her for your birthday?
You know, say, I did buy my little gift, though.
Other day for my woman's birthday, you know. And I tell her, say, I never have no money at all. But you don't know what I do and test her. I just go down in the town and I buy her one big panty and wrap up in one present bag and I say, happy birthday, babe. That's what I tell her. And when she see it, she jump up on me and say, babe, I appreciate it because you say you don't have money, you still buy something. But I test her loyalty. So you don't know what I go on. You say, I give her that I'm a sister, she no frown. I just go borrow money from one of my nigga them. And I just buy her something nice. And me and her go on a look one day. Vacation for the hotel.
No, the one so, you see me?
Yeah, man, sometimes you have to just test them.
But anyways, if a man depend on me, I'm going to go see me.
You know, easy, you know, so I chat nothing anytime I tell you something, you always a cut, you know.
But anyways.
Well, there you go. I'm glad you find love.
Yeah.
You only hope you don't get bun, but alright.
What do you think?
Yeah, man, I'll catch some water to go up on the road.
My friend, them youth. Aye.
Get up.
Oh.
What kind of style this you come here with?
What?
What kind of style is plate pan bed and you lay down like your girl, man? Get up, man. Oh. Mr. Fi, get up. Take up this.
Where you going so far?
Come, man. Come. Take up this half bed. Let me tell you this. Me now want to come here. One next day and come see me bed look so. Bed is something where you sleep on.
So I lay down on the bed.
If you're not sleeping, you're not supposed to be on the bed, you're a girl. Eh? Nothing out the door for you do. You can't rake up your yard or something.
I have to fist me so hot, man. I'm pulling your plate.
Sure. Hurry up, man. Hello. You remember the first time I meet you? Eh? I'm going to tell you so you can't manage me at this, me mean.
So you beat, man?
Hello, you said me a chat to you? When me a chat to you, no back answer me. Yeah? Don't take this on show.
That's not relax.
Move! I can't fix up your bed.
I say this thing.
Come like you're a girl. But you lay down in a bed, cock up our phone. Straighten up your bed. And when me come back, I want to see your bed straighten up.
Go check on me dog.
Well, I'm not telling a lie, I just feel if you go a beach this morning. I like you look at energy. But I never know, but you shame me do because I never know say you could have swim. And me can't swim.
I think you know that long time.
No, you did always tell me, but I never believe you. And see you end up where you come and teach me. You know?
That's how it goes. Sometimes woman can teach man things too.
Well, that a lie. But I don't really fancy over beach business still in a
Brother River. I don't like the beach.
Yeah, I see him some mistake. I don't really like the beach, but actually you tell me say you want to go there still, make me go down there, go all the vibes and yeah, because of them I did forward. Everybody good. I don't feel no bad energy like, you know. We drink rum and have a little vibes right now. I just feel like I go get some workings and then I go sleep.
So what you say you want for dinner now? Because me ask you for another beach in the answer.
Maybe you would eat pizza?
No, I'm not too like pizza, but I would eat one burger too.
Oh, I don't like burger neither. So you know like
you
pizza?
buy pizza for yourself, me buy burger. Simple. I will cook then. Save some.
No, we're not have to buy none of them there. You good man, we can just go to bed so.
You good, me not go to my bed so.
I joke me,
You say if me no eat and me hungry, me miserable. You know that.
Well, I make you get something instead. I just get 2 burger and done.
Alright then.
You sound like...
Me can't eat a whole burger, but me eat this here way.
You hear somebody call me out?
I think so.
Bob! Let me know somebody call me, man. Check in. No, me hear somebody call me.
Let us shout out.
Yeah, dealing.
It's a go on.
Can't see you from the last time you left me not see you.
Boy, it's not enough. One man, beer things.
I'm going to get
What else, man?
Babe, may I come there? So you say I go on now?
There, man, so anything.
Boy, I'm there, you would friend you forward. I can link me back the day and tell me, say, yo, you meet one girl on the road and something.
Yeah, bro, meet one nice touty, man. She cool, man, she kinda cool, you see me? She kinda cool. She good, she nice, one nice browning still, you see me?
So I see you text me and I tell me, say, yo, you're moving. I say, quick, you're moving out?
Yeah, man, I'm moving for true, man.
But no relationship no reach now. I say, quick, you're moving?
No, man.
Yo, me always want, you know, you, me don't tell you already, you know. 1 foot in and 1 foot out, you know. You can't have your 2 foot turn up in a relationship, you tumble down.
No, man.
That if a woman move right now and left you, you tumble down. You want if she move, brother, you know say you have 1 foot outside, so you can use the 1 foot and balance.
True thing, man.
You can't do this, but I not tell you how to run your things, so I just give you advice, you don't have to listen. You understand? If you want to do it, you do it. I force you and tell you to do it. But so far, everything good over there, though.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. She cool, man, you see me?
Well, Fran, she cool then. She cool like I cool.
Yeah, man. She not cool like I cool, but she cool. She cool.
Well, Fran, you enjoy a relationship. That's the best thing because it makes sense. You go in an unhappy relationship or something where you don't feel comfortable in.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Because you know, I have to make queen. We always happy. We not say 1 or 2 bad moments come up, but we always try to be happy. We not have a lot of argument in our relationship.
Yeah, man, sister, live good, man.
As someone you live with you for your woman.
Yeah, man, you have to try. You have to live somebody. You have to live somebody.
Yeah, man, you have to do the right thing, you. Because by the end of the year, you don't want a youth in your future, too.
Yeah, man, want a youth, man.
You so turn all the baby, brother.
Yeah, tell her.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's true.
So I'm telling you, I don't like how you look, though.
No, do me, man. I'm a good man, you know? Just there. I'm just happy, you see me? I just
happy and you look so sad.
No, man, I'm happy, man. I'm happy, man. All day, man. I'm happy, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm good, man. You know, I come...
You know, my brother, you can't talk to me about anything, you know, you.
I know, man. I come go back up on the yard like before she come in.
Eh?
But no, I say I come, I figure out to do something on the road, so I do it on the road and forward. Go back over the yard, go. You see me?
Yo, just make sure you're good.
I'm good, man. I'm good, man.
I know you hide nothing from me as a bridging you.
No, I'm hide nothing from you, man. I'm good, man.
Yeah, your people ain't good.
Yeah, man. I'm good, man. Big up yourself, man. You know, we link. You have to rush, go by, so. Up and there, beat me, you know, good.
Right now, up on the road, I go now, to get a burger, you know.
Do that then, no?
You know, so me not like your style. Every time
What
me
me
I go
do?
up on the road, it's like you know want come now with me. Why problem?
And I like say me no want come now every day. You see I go on the road, why me go follow behind the man? Me man fi have space.
Yeah, we have a lot of space because more and me gone on the road, gone do 1 and 2 work, you alone there. So my time you go look for your mother.
Alright then,
spend
me
the
it
day.
how we go on the road then.
You hide the relationship or something?
No.
So why every time me I
Why
go on
me
the
go
road?
hide the relationship? Why?
No, but every time me I go on the road, it's like if me no cuss you, if you forwarded me, you no want forwarded me. Why problem?
Alright, go on the road.
No, me no want through me attack you there run and say you want go on the road. Me no want that.
I don't know really. Sometimes me just feel sleepy, tired, and no I go on the road.
But what you do so?
And you know me is a girl like give man space. Me no want stick up
Yeah,
on
but what
man
you do
make
for
people.
tired? Yeah, me know some more while I do 1 and 2 here, they me have a little client. But what you do differently?
Alright, go
We
on
not
the
play
road.
no football, you know. Cause we not play a match last night. So what make you tired so? You play other match?
Which other match?
No, me have to ask you if you play other match. Come on, know you tired so.
No.
Me go up on the road, go deal with me, I deal with me. What kind of burger you want?
Buy anyone, meet anyone.
That no down there, no. Me can't go down there and they ask me what kind of burger I want. Me say,
I buy American one then. I think I don't buy one number
so you want it with
number
cheese?
8.
You want the one with cheese and tomato?
Me no want no tomato.
And you want pickle up on it?
No.
So you just want it with the cheese and the
Yes, just the
sandwich.
cheese and
what
yes.
flavor drinks?
Grape.
So I'll talk buy a burger for me too, you know, because we all get too big and me I tell you, so if we go to gym and you know want to go.
So you wanna get big too?
You feel like when we play football every minute that go make with
That not tap no football game for goal. So I don't know what you are talking about.
you know see my phone charger?
Me did something about, you know. I don't know, I don't see it.
No, I carry my phone because maybe I want to call you if that not down there or something. Go and lock your door, may I go away?
Feel like say me love road. Oh God.
Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Hello, good?
Where you come from?
I'm Virgin.
Over my virgin. You go over your virgin, go do what?
Go check him. Can you over there?
So you going over your virgin? Did they tell me say you go over your virgin?
Did he gone? Me never planned it. After me done.
Me not have one phone.
Me not no credit.
Come here. Come here. You see when you left the yard, you're supposed to tell me say you left the yard.
Yeah.
And I just get up and come out there also.
You never there.
You not have no phone. Wi-Fi not there, you can call me on WhatsApp. You say you not have no credit. Hey, let me tell you this. Me not want you to go no friend, but me not even want to mash up the things, you know.
But
You need to tell me when you go nowhere. You hear me tell you?
you broke my heart.
Me come on fire, not even dinner, you not cook me dinner. No! Go cook me dinner. You want to live with woman and you don't know if you treat woman. Want to live with woman. And hurry up to you now, that me I tell you.
You know some raters still. Yo, the party the last night, the party they did tough. When we see you got some bombs and pull off it two and see how we see when they start trying to show up themselves, you know.
Yo, you want to see one of my mother thing last night, brother. And something have it on my waist, and you see it.
Yeah.
Have it on my waist, so but for a longer time I'm a G. In a real
But
life.
anyway, me rate your mother still now.
Yeah.
But I real youth, you know.
Cause anything you tell me if you do,
But
always
still, me no know
agree.
why he most powerful. Me know how long figure so long. You see how long him how figure and know why he can't go country. Better than busy about truck, better than bad anything out there so stay. I'm there, that's how you talk. Anyways, could tell me.
Come here, boy. Come here.
Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now.
Watch out.
Wait now.
Watch out.
Wait now. What happened? You could.
You should play them in your yard for morning. You should play them for morning.
You wash one of them eat out.
Me not put clothes in my bathroom on the fear wash.
You can't beat me for my friend. You can't.
Hey.
You can't beat me. Don't beat me.
Bob, you're an idiot! You're an idiot! Watch out!
Hey, you're not coming at this enough.
Bob, me can't believe you make woman a beat you.
No, I'm a friend. I'm a friend.
Friend with. Can Mr. Paz come?
No, man!
We all laugh.
Hello, what's happening?
Me I come.
Let me reach in the yard before you.
Me I come.
Let me reach in the yard before you. What's up?
Me I come. Go on, me I come.
You know, say I'm an idiot.
I true she love man, she good.
So you make woman a deal with them and youth.
You see me can't manage her, see how she try.
Yo, me lose half of your dog. I see you make woman a deal with them, brother. You man, when I time see you man take his sippers and you lick your head. Anyways, you are going now.
I can't go on.
I'm going to take more lick here.
I can't go, man. What can they?
Come here. Come out of the road. Come here. Stand up right here, so. Want you. Your face full of so.
You know, say.
No, man.
You know, say me and
I
your
want
daughter.
you.
See your daughter still over there, so I laugh off for me. You know, say me and your daughter stand up over there, so.
Where she did like she run gone.
Me and daughter stand up over there, so and the woman, no man come and start beat me. Start piss me up, fling slippers on my head back over there, so. One bag of sun and spin me around. But a whole bad time she did, and then first time she did. But me can't manage her.
Bob, me sorry for no say. You are one of the worthless man them when make woman a beat you. Like some little pitney. Bob, I saw your mag grow you.
You know, see how she big, me can't manage her.
So you go pick up bigger than your size. You can't manage giant and you go take up giant. Bob, me not understand this, sir. A long time me hear say this girl they beat you. What your problem? You not see no other woman who you can deal with. I wonder if I hope this girl hope you. Cause why you that really deal with one woman where they beat you night and day? Me say girl I'll tell you how you feel wash plate, take out chimney.
Yeah, she had to
Washing dirty jars them and clean out house and when it pass it and toilet. I saw me here in the town me the other day and hear that me don't know if I choose. So you say no, you all pick up fame. No wonder why she had there so kubata bros. Why you so stay so? Look there.
She told me like
oh God. Jesus Christ, no man.
She broke my hand one day too, you know.
She broke all your hand?
Yeah.
No man.
She beat me one time and she did block up under my eye. So I go link my friend. So when I go link my friend now and I link my friend say, if you act like me a man up and don't take it. So I go over there and I man up now. I can't do you tell me that my next eye.
Open your next eye. Jesus Christ, what a wicked girl.
And then she brought me on candy, oh God, she brought me on
Let me see. Which one of them?
She took me like two of them.
Wait there. Oh God, I want the bad puller.
No,
so you're not go doctor?
I feel like I'm sick with me, I candy. Already, I'm not can see you. Away there.
Oh God.
Me can't see it, but me can't see your face so good. I swear to God. When I think about it, you just have me away, me I tell her.
Oh God.
But candy, I'm going later, candy. She will kill my leg.
So you have to go back at the yard, they go stay?
No, if you go back in there, if you don't find me, she go find me when me there and kill me, me I get
Where your mother there? Where your mother there, Bob?
No mother.
So you know, I want to do, live at one place, on a rent or a roof house, a fair house, how you go? A rent house, come here, say a rent house, how you go?
Boy, me didn't think of my house one time, but you know, look like I feel me house again.
I don't know how you go manage with this life, you know. So when the next woman them pass and see woman a beat you, what you think say them a think?
I'ma come beat me too.
You're idiot. Them a think say you're really idiot. No woman we have sense, no want no man like you. Because woman nowadays I look for man defend them. What kind of foolishness this? After you no baby, you little pitney you make girl a beat you so. And I tell her to go wash plate. Yawa.
She's strong.
She's strong. But you're a man is just a man. And a man must stand up like a man. A man must act like a man and behave like a man and fight like a man. Me not tell us if you beat woman. I me never say if you turn woman beater. But you make this giant to take over like I say she run things. You can't live them kind of lifestyle there.
Candy mother want to listen to you, know, but
you're afraid.
The last time I listen to you, I get 2 black eye and 1 broken. I want no broken and no black eye. I want to see what I mean. I can't see now. I want to see. So she said me for up and come down in the yard. So I go up and go to her.
Area.
Before.
What you say? She said if you hurry up and come down in the yard.
She not reach on before.
Because you're her son and she said you're in school, so if you come home before night come down.
Can me tell her? You see?
Me just feel like if you give you 2 out of 5 make you have sense. You idiot? Yes, because you act like you don't know sense.
Candy. You see she Candy? You see me and I up on the road? You see me reach on before me I get lick. If me reach with her, me I get lick.
Yeah.
If me reach after her, me I get lick.
Let me ask you one question. So, are you that do the cooking in the yard? Are you cook here?
Candy, me can't cook and she lick me because I can't cook.
So when she get too much food for me and want to make she big so?
Any money me get me have to give her all of it.
Any money where you get, you have to give her the whole of it. You know, say if you have sense. You know, look like you have no sense. A time for you change your ways now, Bob. A time for you start act like a man, as me tell you before. You can't come down so. That means the woman take your fit out a fool. Kunu muno. Mama man. Chichi. All kind of sitting, the girl take you for. The girl take you for clown. The girl take you for clown. Girl clown. You make girl a beat you. Watch out.
You see?
You have to go home, not sure.
And then man, me I get there lit there. So you see? Me now go turn like no, me now go behave like no man. Me now go tough up no and get no and
not behave like no man.
And then Candy, me I go take me lit them and go and relax and
why you not left out of the house?
Me can't left out there.
One day when she gone pack up your things them and leave and you want to lick them.
She go find me
and
again.
Find a decent woman will love you and will take care of you. And you don't put your hand on that woman and that woman don't put her hand on you.
Candy.
Because relationship is not a war thing.
Candy,
but right now you don't deal with a woman, you deal with an animal, a big giant one.
Between me and Candy, I not take up no woman. Every woman don't see same I beat me. Nobody woman.
So you go stay with her until she kill you?
If me left her, me I go stay single. Me not look for no more. Everybody knows say. Everybody knows say me I beat me.
You see? If you're not good on, she go beat you. If you're good on, she beat you. Go and go take a lick them because that you want. Go and go take a lick them because that you want. Me go by me.
Where you get this? Where you get this?
Where you told me so?
Where you get this? That's why me realize that my complexion now come because you dey use up my bleachings. Eh? You dey use up my from other day me notice you get brown, you know. And me ask you about it, you can't tell me about a house color. Eh?
What a... You think I lotion?
You did, I think I lotion, you can't read. Come here. Come here.
Get now.
No. Me tell her not trouble me things them. Me not tell her not trouble me things them. Show me I tell you. You know bleachings, but you know bleachings expensive.
You told me I'm here, girl. How dear man?
Me just sick and tired of you in this place. I don't know you what. Move out of my way, man.
Feet do that they do mother can charge you 40,000. Normally that's 60, but you know you're a general, isn't me? No man. So who tell you that? No, where you get 20 from? No, somebody never rob you, man. Nothing like that.
Alright, bro.
Here, give me a ring back now. Here, just give me back a ring back in the next 10 minutes. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Everything good, bro? You good?
I'm to your face.
No, man, I made that, man.
You hear that, you? Put me to a little red spot.
No, sir. I'm to you, bro.
I'm to you, youth.
I let me lick up my eye, man.
You lick up your eye?
Me and mama around, man, and mass. He door, and he lick up the door and door flying on me eye.
Yeah, you. Are you just sure you're not going to figure something that you?
No, man, I don't know.
You're sure no mama clot in here over there?
No girl can't clot me. You like you don't know your Bridget. No woman can't let me.
So ramp over there, ramp?
Yeah, bro. I know it's started to happen. That's just me hand over here, so.
So you know go check out you and go out. You have to go to doctor, brother. Yeah, that's in the youth.
Nothing
I want
to do
serious something that, you know.
Me know, man. I take it out, man.
Yeah, I want important something in the youth. So you have to check out you in the Virgin.
Good one, man. She make
one. You should not even come link in Virgin. You should just go to doctor. Or something, or go down to a pharmacist and make them give you one cream for rub on the Virgin. It door youth. You could have blind, you know.
I know, man.
I'm see. So you don't get no scrape on that door if I do it. That no, kind of like a hand mark door.
No, sir.
Like.
When you do it, you see me, I tap on the door now because when they up and it's and I swing and just tap on it, just click me or so.
I not tell you like that, man. Me know about me know a whole heap of things in the world. And you see that, it does look like say a hand like a somebody lick you. A ramp, a woman a ramp on like in hand.
Yeah, man,
touch
yeah, man, a woman a ramp, man. Oh.
So you tell me for your door.
So not tell me I tell her man ramp with the door.
So you sure not ramp and a ramp and she does?
No, sir. No, sir. I ramp and a ramp, man. No, I'm tell man ramp and a ramp for true, man.
Anything you say, Allah, just do what you do and check me.
Yeah, man. I go down to the doctor still, because that happens still in you, Jaja.
That's not me know what I go and say, but I not tell a lie. That's not like a fatty beat.
No, fat me tell you no man can't let me have your chat, bro. I look like girl crap.
Dating. Me there for me and
dating. Alright, look come on.
Boy, a girl you that, you know.
Yeah, babes. No. But miss somebody now. When may I see you? You can't see me tomorrow. I had uncle later. Hello, lock my fridge. Lock my fridge door. Where you come from, Bob? Bob, where you come from?
Go check my Virgin.
Every day I go check Virgin. You love man? Eh? A man you love, sir? Every day you go check Virgin. You sure Virgin you go check?
Yeah.
Which way Virgin live? You go check Virgin. And the yard one rake. He plate them for wash.
I'm gonna wash it.
Come here, son. Me talk to you and move off. Until me tell you to move off. Let me tell you this. Me no business if you want to check Virgin. You understand? But you see, before you go check Virgin, make sure you things them in a yard. Done. Me a talk to you now. Cause me black and blue in next year, you know. And bust your mouth too, you know. But what me can do what me tell you to do? What me can do what me tell you to do?
No, go do. Mash up the place.
Move in front of me, man. Yeah, I'm reckless like. Bye. Go to the door, chat on my phone.
Hello. What make you there on the phone businesses, so?
How?
What you mean now?
How am to you?
What you mean now?
You look so angry.
Because you just all about your phone, so like, me not important.
What
Your
mean
phone
by?
I feed you.
Me always have time for you. Me not understand
Always
what
have
you're
time
about.
for who?
For you.
What you mean? From you wake up this morning and your phone you depend. You bed and lay down on phone. If me never
always
get up on my
have time
access,
for you.
if me never get up on my access, where you go make for breakfast, you would tell me say, oh, I want fry egg. You know me ain't say nothing to you. You just wait till all you ready for something to eat.
So make you all load up your voice.
Because yeah, make you look like say yo, me and you like we not in a relationship. You just like I on your phone like.
So me not have time for you in my bed.
Nah, sex is not everything.
So if you're not there, what me fi do? Sit down so look at that space.
I'm out the door me there. Because me see you not give me no vibe, so me out the door till me get a business call. Me not like them energy. Me tell you say me not like when argue. Me always like when good.
Are you
like
alone arguing now? You alone.
What you mean? Because if something not right, me I'll talk about it.
You see what is the problem for me on my phone?
Okay, so
understand?
if you don't see no problem, then if you need up on my phone, you don't say nothing to me about my phone then. So since as you don't find there's no problem. Who you text?
Me not text nobody.
Pull the phone.
Me not text nobody.
Pull the phone.
I'm sure so me not text nobody.
You just look guilty.
Guilty for what?
No, you text along for pull the little phone. Yo, hold the phone now.
Just aggressive. Jesus Christ.
Put on your phone, man. Every day, get up. Put on your phone, no, man.
Yes.
Me have them 3 blouses and more. I wash out because I want them for tomorrow. For go work. And they towel here.
So, only you can't wash them.
Bob, me tired. Where they are do? Eh? Where they are do more than turn up and play a game every day. When in a game you play, you lay down in a bed like you're a girl or something. Come on, wash them out. Hello, hurry up, no man, move like you want to do it, no man. Take it now and block you up, you know. Hurry up, man. How you just do a while ago?
No.
What you just do a while ago?
My teeth.
Sit and tuck in your teeth, sit and tuck in your teeth. It come like you want me block you up, you know, man.
My girl, you have to start dealing me like a man, you know. You are dealing like a boy.
Chat back to me, boy. Hey. No. Hey, no play with me, no, man. Me kick you off of this to here.
Dear, me like me a boy. You think me a
Continue
boy?
and chatting there.
You think me a boy?
Continue and chatting there.
What's up? There you go.
You know, let me say yes, I will pay. I know you so come. So how is work?
Alright, I'm tired, man.
I can see you're tired. Though. You know, me they cook some food in there now, so I can go hot up here and you go take a shower. You rest and take a shower.
Well, I tell you, from I go up on the work this morning, I ain't nothing none at all. Because when I go up on the work, like, when I look at you, them just upset my brain. Because I tell him, say, yo, if you do that, then he tell me how he want to do it. And I tell him how to do it so we can get the work done.
Not because somebody upset your brain, you have to get something to eat. You want to job done for the work?
I know, I make understand what you're saying, but you see, showing upset my brain, I just do and hurry up and work and go on my yard. So I never want, you know, then way I just want to work and move. I just come for the work.
Alright then, thank God me they cook. You can go take a shower and I go hot up your food in the kitchen.
So what's your day? What you do today?
My day was okay. I was here sitting for a while waiting for you.
So yeah, you know, so I have to make me get a visa.
No, when I talk to your man, when a woman is talking to them, man, they should speak properly. You understand? Yeah.
Alright, just carry the bag for me and share out the food, you know?
Alright. So you now take a shower for you?
Yeah man, I'm going to cool off.
Alright then.
I'm tired. Sexy.
Good man. Oh, God. Everything good.
I'm telling you.
I drop on the door, bro.
Drop on your hand. So yo, from all of a sudden and that the woman that they youth, it's like a one bag of something start happen to you. You lick up your eye in the door, now where you slide with bucket and so your hand block or you just spring.
Yeah, I feel like you block and I feel like it's spraying.
Say no go check out it. Man, you listen to me.
Yeah.
Me no hear that man. Talk to me. Me your friend youth.
Yeah. Remember all the time when you come over?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to come over here, isn't it?
You're not supposed to come over here? What do you mean you're not supposed to?
So I take up the man there. I do a bit my boot there.
Listen, man. Really, youth?
Yeah, I think
brother, right now, I bet you go take up one woman when you amount your money right now more than one woman when you beat her. You're mad somebody? Me reason about this youth.
You're not saying the same big?
You see one picture, but that not nothing to do with your young man. I she wear underpants and something.
Sometimes you wear underpants and yes. Some I know.
Brother, you need to man up in here really. I'm give you a style. What you can do to her now. You deal with her soft, no?
Yeah.
And that she take you soft. You see, anytime she say nothing to you again, like anytime she try to rough you up or want to beat you, you make you know, say, yo, listen to me, I say. Nobody feel like you can style me, you know, me a man. And me slap you in your face, tell her that.
Oh,
you have to make you know,
so you afraid of me?
Yes.
Alright.
You have to make you know, say, yo, you're a man in the house. So anytime you raise your hand for you raise back for you too. I make you know, so me box you down, no you do. Because you're a man. So you must be a man in your relationship.
Me I go back over there. Me a man in my relationship.
Yo, what on now? Nobody go take boots in and
No, man,
him broke here that one, you know.
No man, you not break.
Nobody make him broke here that one, you know.
No man, me just
Woman
have a man
tell
up.
you, yeah, man
When
up.
me go over there now, I want to say, where you come from? So when me say, don't chat to me, so girl, I'm looking at your face.
Right. But nobody make him read up here that
No, man.
broke the one day.
Yeah, I hear about it on the news. Me I come.
I don't want to hear about you on the news.
Man up.
Baby, food ready?
Oi, where you look for?
How are you? What go on? What you say? My girl, ease off on me, man. I don't weed up on this up there.
I want somebody wake me come. I must dream me a dream.
How go on?
How we are talking, sir?
My girl, I don't want you to contact me if you don't look a fool, you know. Next time I try to raise your family, I'm going to box in your mouth. You know your place. Come on, come chat up to man like you feel like man or some like a boy.
How we are chatting, sir?
Yo, never left you, you know, you.
Honestly, say, we left. That me I tell you.
Yo.
I'm a tough fact. Give me a phone.
Yo,
No phone for you.
me can't man.
I feel like you can't tough up. I can't go like you're a man in a this. You're which man in a this?
Yo, watch.
How about you?
Just watch here. Just go on. Just go on.
How about you?
Bro, oh God. Everything good?
Nah, man, something go on, man.
What talk about? Me do yourself for my bad.
I force me to see in the darkers, man.
Yo, me just feel good, me proud of myself.
So that's it.
Man, I talk about that. Yeah, man. You know, darkers for days. You know, when me do the thing, you say the man.
So you say, mama, nah, body up again, nothing.
Where? When I go in there, I say to him, say, hey, girl, you know, I do them thing there again. You frightened. You frightened.
Yo, go on the thing, dog. I rate that
man,
youth.
You frightened.
I'm telling man, you're a man of yard, I know, man.
You frightened, man.
My youth.
Eh?
Then the other yard that red.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
The other yard that red.
Watch out, man. Stop doing something. How are you?
So you see the other one too?
No, sir.
So the other yard red.
I don't know about daddy, you know, work. I tell her she the woman she beat me and she fist me in the next one. No, God, I rang something you tell me for you, daddy. Don't.
Brother, you move like you're a girl too much. Too much time I tell you one something. Stop move like you're a girl, you would. You tell you what to do already, you tell
you tell me for God do it. Look what happened to me now.
No, you ask me for my advice. I never me say if you go do it.
Get up and tell me if you go bad.
No, me tell you what me would do. Me never tell you if you do it. Me tell you say me would have box her down.
No, you tell me say what you need to do. You say what you need to do is go over there act like a man. Me go over there act like a man and me get a man here. Me get a man.
Yeah, but me give you advice. So if me tell us if you go jump off na the river, there, you go do it.
No, but yeah.
So me never literally tell you say yo go and go do it. Me just tell you what me would do and me give you advice.
You say me go over there, girl. Talk me think a man.
Why? The best thing me can say right now, dog. You have to just run out of the relationship because.
I tell the girl say more left and he want to kill me over there. He say me and him can't left until he say he not to give me no front. Imagine.
That's why then say see me and live with me at all if you know. Cause you see her and you say she nice and you say you feel like a life you make with her and see you know. I feel like you want to make life with her and she want to take your life from you. You idiot.
You know say do between.
And you two you them in rid up all your hands see come like you all broke it.
You know say between me and you still. What I want do, I feel like more. I feel like say if some real man rush him, me thinking we go. I think she will.
Brother, then you know your man in any relationship pack up your things and man come out.
If me pack up now dead,
brother, listen no man how you listen what me I say. Let me give you a next idea now. What me would do. You see if I mean that the situation there. And she know I'm left. Me I pack up my things and I say all in my sleep. I say all in my sleep, you time up.
You see you give me next idea now.
You don't have to tire. You just take your things and run out. She don't have to know you there. You don't go pay your people them man.
That's true.
Yeah man, you can pack your thing. Just think about it still. No matter I not force if you do it, you know, I just give you.
I think about it, but I don't think I do it. But I think
I give you an idea.
I think I have a plan. I think I have a plan.
Me no want to see you next time I know one of your eye then lock, so you know can't walk me, you know.
Star, the girl want to kill me. Jesus.
Cause me can't believe that.
Yo,
First
I
time
want to
me
come on my eye, dog.
brother, you
Yo,
feel like my woman can't do me so?
Yo.
No DN can't do it. I'm running head.
Me know you have bad people,
Any
man.
DN try something I put me put her out.
So you know, you can't come off me and go deal with me over there.
If me come over there say you good, then I go like me. Cause me will tap all in her neck.
They tap in her neck,
you know what
tap in her neck.
But I know my woman son of me for do that.
I mean, your bridging, your hair.
No, you have to help out yourself in the part.
You want to get
No, me tap in my woman neck. Me get help out for you.
No, say the way me now.
But me not beat my woman, you know. You see me just deal.
You're good man, when you take me beat now and go and come see. If you.
I never miss enough to go make him black and blue yard eye. You damn me idiot.
Why you take so long for care about this come?
I'm trying to walk me hand up pain so I can't really walk too fast. What?
Come like you know no sense you would. Where you gonna say take so long? How long me there wait for it? You
broke me hand and you thumped me in my eye a bunch of time.
Your hand no broke good. Your hand no broke good. Hello, you know me all hungry now. That me I tell you now. Me hungry right now. You better go wash up your plate. Them that me I tell you.
What? So how me for wash your plate them with me? You see me you broke my hand.
Go wash your plate. Them me respond to you. Me respond to you. Man, you go wash your plate them man.
Me wash. Straight
Catch, you say you have your hands so catch your plate so and wash it so.
Swear to God, me I feel left out of this place.
Oh, where you say about this sir?
No, so no man, me say me
No, tell me here.
Me say me I help and wash up the plate them.
Better make sure say that you say. You hear me I tell you? You better make sure say that you say.
So put on your knife now.
Damn good for nothing. And hurry up to brother cause me hungry.
Come on man, me tell us I something I do with on the road. Me not take no long. I just a while ago me left here, not to reach where me I go yet. This is abuse, you know man. This is abuse. Alright, me I come on. Rasta.
Burn it down,
I'll
go on.
Come in now.
Come in now, it's a time to tell you now what you work now doing. Where's you go on?
No, few man me see beat over there. How you now work out?
Oh, damn man. You see, that woman them me take her up and never know say such a violent woman indeed. And if me can't beat her physically because she changa me. And then me takes and chopping foot me go in prison. So some of the time when he go and bad and he jape me up and he this and that, me punish him back when in my bedroom, but we couldn't take too much of that. So I don't know, I just pay one bad woman. We have gone on the going pan her and beat her up and threaten her. She run away. Right after me call her, she now come back. She afraid that down here so. And down me live. So I have no problem with she no problem, but she afraid to come down here. She afraid of the woman. She not no strength for the woman that have a gun, but she have strength to want to beat me up. So I just say right then, you better find a different girl.
I see you have one day I you know. Chang one see me.
Why? My advice to you, do the best you can do. Because then we lick you one time you're dead, you know. So you have to think about your life. No matter what love. Let's go.
Yeah, so for my friend Pinky, man, no bad man. Maybe I just want to chat to myself in the car. Chat to myself like that. Pinky. Which way are they? Alright, don't move. I can't check it, but I tap on me out for some pick up something. Alright.
Oh, hey boy, the man, look how long the man call me as so brother.
Check you wait.
Oh.
What? Sorry for making you wait so long, man.
So long.
Sorry, man. Sorry. You good?
I'm good, man.
Long time I don't see my old mommy, man. She good?
My mother great.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay. Anyways, as me there tell up on the phone, say I want to go. One thing more you do for me, you see me? So, me there with this girl, you see me? Thick body girl now, but you know me can't manage her.
The same one there for a longer time.
One there for
whereas I beat you.
Yeah.
Oh.
The girl slap beat me every minute, give me black and blue, yeah. You give me all type of different things. Broke me hand, you broke me hand at the end. So you more you do for me now. In the summer, in a lane over. In the summer over Nampre, let's go. So more you go over there, because I say normally the about the place. So more you, if you see more you bounce on him, you know, just pick trouble with him. You see me? When he like you want to rush you go link for your mother now. Make for your mother. You know, go for fear thing and making you run out of the lane.
Yeah, because mommy I done my street side. But anyways,
yeah. You see me?
What more I know about now? Because remember I love money, you know. I used to listen. I don't know joke thing.
Yeah.
I used to when it come on to money, I might name that.
Yeah.
So how much? Let me tell you how much more.
Name a price, man.
Can I get 250,000?
As long as she come out of my life, right now, it better me spend all of my savings to get rid of her than have her in my life a better bros. But me I go get the 250,000.
Alright, 250,000 because if matter of fact my mother can't catch no problem at all. Cause my mother picked down in the streets. You hear that? But not say a word, man.
Yeah, so she just somewhere around the side of the lane. So me I go back down after me yard. So as me say, you supposed to dip on the road and drink.
Alright, yeah, man. Me know
respect, you see me?
Yeah,
Anything I've done, me link you.
Yeah.
Look at the road big. You don't see a road big, girl.
Girl, the bunks up in me a while ago, you know. Are you bunks up in me? So why you going?
You see, just like a vehicle, me dey on my side of the road, you know. Hey, yo, you forgot to me tell you this. You see, next time you see me, you walk far from me. That me I tell you. You hear me I tell you? You listen to what me I say?
Alright. Me hear what you say, man. Look at no. Look at.
Go on, some man.
Alright, no, stay here, so. Stay here, so. Mommy,
One.
you know a girl named Tia?
Who is there?
One girl is a beat Bob.
Oh, the girl.
Yeah, you know. Me I walk a while ago and the girl bouncing at me. And Mr. Tuar say, no, she start cuss me and about, hey, you know, see a road big. Why you bouncing at me for it? You know, a girl shot me one box for me, look at my face. Drape me and shot me one box.
Where she live?
She live right around there, so.
How far from here so she live? Cause look here, let me tell you something. You see if a styling thing that girl is upon, you go show her what styling mean, yeah? Where she live?
At the bus corner, mommy and grown.
Me no no long talking, me
When I
no
walk
want
on
you.
bus corner, she reach right at one fence.
No man, you
Here
have to
fence.
go and show me where she live.
Mommy, over here say get mommy, you hold him and box him back. Over here, so.
Where she live?
So a dirty girl live. Mommy, hold him back and lick him.
No. Then I saw no one to live for barge in a people house.
Who you? Why
What you mean by who?
Why you put on for my daughter? Eh?
Your daughter not tell us that me I walk on the road and she a come bounce me like me and her friend or something.
My daughter no bounce for you. Me here say you beat man, say you feel say you can beat my daughter and get away with this. Yo! Want you left out of the place before me done you. You hear me? I tell you pack up and leave right now. No!
Yo, you say for me.
Pack up and leave.
Yo, let me tell you something.
Lick her back.
Let me tell you something. Look for me, girl. Look for me. And me make a get away with that. You hear that? You don't know who you play with. You know who you play with? You have sense?
Get up.
Lift up.
Think me no hear say around here so I beat off the boy when name bad. Come out of this. Don't come back.
Lift up, man. Come on.
Lift up.
Come on.
Yo, come here. Turn around. Kick her in her ass. Come out of this and take away yourself. Come and bust a shot in your brain. I want to you, girl.
Idiot, girl. And me make a get away with that. You hear that?
My daughter, let me tell you something. No make no girl, no boy deal with you any kind of way.
I understand you say, mommy, and me make she get away with that, man. Make she go and buy her business.
I know so me grow you.
Soft soap that, mommy.
Our size afraid of?
No, mommy, me say a soft soap that, mommy. Mommy, remember good in a man there, my mother me could have retaliate back a while ago, but me just say, me a left you to deal with her.
And then me a clown you make her come style you. Eh? Girl not even spread her bed from morning. Who to tell her she be that one to the girl? If me ever walk on the road and buck her, you see, she not gonna like it. And any day, any time, any minute, any hour, you buck her on the road again. And she say, eh. If she say, eh, B, that even go a C. You just give me a call. Don't talk. What me say? Alright.
Back everything God. Oh Lord, thank you Father. No, I'm gonna get rid of him. Babes. Which part of them come here and I see where them not see things there? Which part you gone?
We can't look at my yard and country, you know.
Why?
Why? You don't ask for why right now. Mr. Pinky, remember the girl that named Pinky where we got our friend, you know. We stay up on the road and all the girl that come walk and trouble me, you know.
So you do?
Every minute she finish she walk and trouble me and we have to box her, you know. She go back and tell her whole mama, the mama come with one come stick me up in her house and you know.
Oh. So you do run off?
I gone back on my yard because guess what, I feel that's my life and my life value wholly to me. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
So me now they could kill me off. So if you miss me and if you want to see me, guess what, you have to come a country come look for me because I'm not coming back down there.
Alright, later.
You're not even showing no sympathy or nothing.
Yeah man, me can't believe that really happened. Wait, this man up on the line. Wait, this man up on the line. Come off my phone. I'll come up for you. Yes, Father God.
Yeah man, you take what you take and go do what you do, you know. And what they are go and put in the work from that time till this time, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So life is a journey, you know what I mean? And we have to take it on. We're not on choice, you know what I mean? And there's a lot of things that go on in this country. We should have gone better. You know, who are putting in the work to make Jamaica a better place, them should get acknowledgement. And with that sentiment, nothing to go on here. You know what I mean? But who have eyes will see, and who have ears will hear. You know what I mean? And as time go by, we go figure stuff out by ourselves. And when we do that now, nobody can talk to you about nothing. You know what I mean? And my favorite song I'm listening to right now, Chronic's Law, you know. Nobody no come around here for help. But we reach to a stage where we're proud of ourselves. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I want to know that after the speech alone, most of them is to come around, nothing but help none of them. You know what I mean? But we reach a stage where we're proud of ourselves. Give thanks. Yeah man. So, if you do a look at thing showcasing a female to fly from overseas, come give you some award for a day, you know what I mean? Because it's necessary. You know what I mean? We don't have to wait for nobody to give award. We only can give award because them see and recognize the work that we are putting and have the value upon it. Because you see, one of the things that destroy a nation is the value. You know what I mean? And that I so if we don't put value upon we think it's not going to work out. You know what I mean? So we have values. You know what I mean? So anyway, we're going to talk next time still. We'll look out for the next movie and continue supporting the movements. Because I take what I take and go do it though. Remember say, tell a friend man. I remember subscribe is free, you know. Enough people think say go charge your money. No man, it's free. I we're up on the journey to 100k. You know what I mean? And when you catch 100k, we have something in the pipeline to deal with across the island. I don't know which price we go drop, but you're going to go hear about it. You know, anytime I say me I do a thing, we go do it. We not lose. You know what I mean? We go do it. I just mean that. So I do something special. When you catch 100k, I do something special. And talking about this and talking about that and talking about special. You know it's the next month. The 24th next month are my special day. You know what I mean? Every day is special still, but I'm earth strong. You know what I mean? So a bag of thing go on, so we look forward for that too. So we have a look at thing go on for that. So we sure go on now. We're up and ready to shoot a movie now, so we talk about that later. Is it? Burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do it. Big up every sponsor, everybody out there. You know what I mean? Yeah man, take what you take and go do it.